Hello, IELTS aspirants. Today we have come up with some useful tips for those who are preparing for their IELTS and want to apply for study visa. Many students make these mistakes and lower their chances of acing this exam. So you must follow these important tips. The first and foremost tip is that you should book your exam in advance only if you're sure that you will be able to get the desired score before your exam date arrives. Yes, guys, most of the students make this mistake. They book their exam when they don't even know their pace and they don't know how well they will be able to perform in their mock test and the practice. So you should book your exam only when you're sure that you are getting the desired score. The second tip is practice only through official Cambridge material. Although there is a lot of material available on the internet, it should be taken as a guide only. Third tip is choose the type of exam, whether it is computer-based or paper-based, as per your comfort. Never go by what your friends find easier. The test format, question types, and the content is same for both. The other useful tip is IELTS is the first milestone to decide whether you will be able to apply for a visa or not. So if you feel that you're not getting the score, even after a lot of practice, you should consult a trainer because a lot of strategies are involved in this exam. Then those who opt for paper-based exam must do it with pencil to avoid striking and scribbling. Yes, guys, it does not look nice that you are scribbling or striking with a pen. So when you are doing it with a pencil, you can always erase whatever mistake you have done. The next tip is answer all the questions because there is no negative marking in the reading and listening module. Some more useful tips. Don't forget to revise the basic concepts of grammar topics, namely tenses, punctuation, conjunction, and types of sentences. Enhance your vocabulary and the words or the synonyms. Exercise fluency and pronunciation. Read more and more articles related to the topics of IELTS. And last but not least, if you're stuck on a question, don't panic. As per the individual band scores, you must know how much answers need to be right in order to get the desired band for the purpose for which you're giving IELTS. So guys, follow these steps along with your core practice and subscribe to our channel to get more tips, tricks, and strategies. To connect with us for online training or free mock tests, DM or WhatsApp on the number below. That is 8810435500. Once again, 8810435500. So that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.